That style that it kind of bring me back a bit, you know, to the early Inezi vibe, you know what I mean? Because this whole idea, you know, is actually one of my early ideas, you know, we just, you know, recreate it, bring it to an next level, you know.
It's very sexy.
Yeah.
But it's not crass.
Yeah.
But you do it in such a creative way.
Deeper and deeper, she say only I can reach her, heal and satisfy her, free up the ring.
Tell us who the inspiration for that song was.
Alright, that song no, I can't go this song. I don't, you know, it's so long I don't even remember.
Wow,
you know?
I don't believe that.
She demanding it, so me give it like I should. I like the way you whining on it. Hey, great timing on. Oh, so crazy, saying oh, she got it going on, you know, laying on it. I like the way you're moving on it.
Hey, alright.